Example 1. Now look at the question on the screen. Pause the video, take some time to attempt to come up with the 4 sentences. Those are generic sentence, specific sentence, thesis sentence, and structure sentence. Afterwards, play the video. We are going to display our own 4 sentences so you can compare and see how you are progressing. We will still get to the assessment. However, we just want you to carry out this exercise. Now, here is ours on the screen. The generic sentence is, undoubtedly, friendship remains sacrosanct and almost a sine qua non to human living and existence. Notice that the question is about friendship, the best type of friend to have. Now, what did we do? Instead of starting with the best type of friend to have, we started with friend generally, and that's a generic sentence. Now, if you look at that, it will now progress into the specific sentence, which is what the exact topic is on, the best type of friend to have. That is the controversy. Now, here's the specific sentence. Nonetheless, what would constitute the perfect companion to keep remains controversial and unsurprisingly opinionated. Now, that addressed the main topic in the question. The thesis. Remember, thesis is usually the controversy, what the two sides are saying. Now, the thesis. One side of the divide posits that having covers of identical perspectives promotes harmony and are thus more preferable. But the other side of the stratification is adamant that bodies of the similar propositions are better as it enhances tolerance and open-mindedness. And the structure sentence is, this essay in the succeeding paragraphs will attempt a poignant juxtaposition of the latter and former positions and take the stance of a balance of the two. Now, if you look at the structural sentence, it is simply stating what the essay will do. You may state your stance if you've already come up with one. If you look at the structural sentence here, the stance to be taken in the essay is already stated. However, it is okay to say that you will take a stance, or the essay will take a stance if you haven't come up with a stance, and your stance will be reviewed in the body of your essay. There is absolutely nothing wrong with that. On the second example of introduction that can be formed from that question is this. The generic sentence. Keeping associates is a vital part of human life, as one cannot exist in isolation. Specific. However, there is certainly no general consensus as to the best type of pal to keep. Do you notice the flow? The main topic is on the best type of pal to keep. However, you start by making reference to friends or friendship generally before proceeding to the best type to keep. And then the thesis. On the one hand, some are of the stance that better type of buddies to have are those always in alignment with one's viewpoints. Whereas, on the other hand, others maintain that mates who occasionally disconcur with one is preferred. Now, the thesis always maintains what the two parties' arguments are. The structure. In the subsequent paragraphs, this essay will undertake a comparative analysis of the two positions while taking a stance. Did you notice the difference? In the previous ones, the stance was stated, but in this one, there is no stance stated. Let's look at the second example, which is a direct question. Now take a moment to read the question on the screen and As was advised in the other question, also take a moment to come up with the introduction before we get to our own introduction. Now, here's ours. Generic. Over time, buying and selling has remained a vital part of human existence, but has been hit with some sweeping changes in recent times. As a result, there has been a tremendous explosion in internet trading. Now remember, the main topic given in this question is what? The growth of online shopping. However, we started with what? Generally buying and selling, that is trading, not just online trading. Okay, that is how to come up with your generic, then link it to specific and to thesis. And remember, the thesis is exactly what the essay is going to address. Now, the thesis. This write-up is in total alignment that this development will in the future culminate in the physical stores winding up. And structure. This essay will, in the subsequent paragraphs, poignantly analyze the aforementioned issues. Before we get to the second example of the introduction, I want you to take note of some words that have been repeated in the examples we have looked at so far. Those are deliberate. For example, juxtaposition, poignant or poignantly. Those are repeated intentionally, and you are advised not to chop and change words. Master certain words and continue to use them in all your practices. When you get to the exam, they have become part of you. It's not like the examiner read your practice to know that that or those are the only words you know. Thus, it's more advisable to, instead of always chopping and changing, just make sure you familiarize yourself with certain words. Learn how to spell them, learn how to use them, and constantly use them. The purpose is to pass IELTS, right? Exactly. Example 2. Generic. Change is inevitable, and even commercial trading platforms have not been left unscathed in contemporary times. Specific. E-commerce has been burgeoning lately as against the traditional means of buying and selling. Thesis. It is now the general belief that virtual trading will later result into utter extinction of the regular local stores. And structure. This essay will, in the succeeding paragraphs, totally concur with this postulation with relevant analysis. Do you notice the difference between these two examples? The stance is stated in the structured sentence in the second one, while the stance was stated in the thesis sentence in the first one. This means that you can state yours anywhere you wish. It is easy, right? I told you, you'll be introduced to the formula on how to write introduction that once you are able to master and come up with introduction of this standard, you are already on your way to acing IELTS writing task 2 with a minimum of band 7.